Hi guys, welcome to TechTool channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send videos on Discord. So let's go to Discord first. Log into your Discord account. Sorry about this. Okay, after login, choose the person or group you want to send video. Like I'm choosing this one. Then if you want to send a video in this group, go plus icon, this one. Then click on this upload a file. Then choose the file from your computer. Okay, I'm choosing this one, and after that click on open. Then you have, if you want to add some message with this video, then you can add here like this. Then press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, your video is processing and it is uploaded with message. Okay, so guys, this is how you can send or upload a video in group or in individual Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.